What are you doing, buddy? You wearing your little hat? Oh, you're walking into things? What are you doing?
He probably thinks he's trapped in a box.
Wally? You can't drink the water that way.
It's eHarmony's biggest free communication event. Now through Sunday, November 14th, review your compatible matches and start communicating using our guided communication. So, right now, free.
What are you doing? Where are you?
Snickers Sweet Day 2-in-1. It's sweet and it's not. Your old bro just can't compare.
Oh, just let him out from under there. Feel along the wall. Oh, just at least point him in the right direction. Poor guy is trapped. Why doesn't he just take the hat off?
Because he likes it. What are you doing? What is that in front of you?
Why he's not taking it off? I have no idea.
He likes it.
You're not still taking the same video, are you?
Yeah.
You're like 7 minutes long.
It's funny.
Oh.
This is only gonna happen like once.
Well, it's happened like 3 times tonight.
Well, it may not happen another night.
Even knocked out the alarm system here. That way when they blow the house up, the fire
Wally?
department doesn't know to come out here.
No.
Wally, where are you going?
No, you can't fit there.
It's time to set these traps and stop this damage before this house functions.
He just wants to dress up as a Subway cookie bag for Halloween, that's all.
Traps up there. They're live traps. They're gonna hurt the squirrels. If I catch these squirrels, I'm gonna find
There you go. Where are you?
out of this enemy's house. Here, they're a fire hazard.
Hmm?
I'm up in the attic right now. It's time
Hey,
to set
Wally.
traps. Well, go ahead and bait him with
What are you doing? Hey. Hey, Wally.
That seems to be squirrels.
Wally.
Acorns, peanuts, walnuts, any kind of nut, man, you can catch them. Once the trap is set, the squirrel's gonna go right in.
What are you
looking for
doing?
that peanut butter. As soon as he hits this trigger,